I want to be a digital nomad. I'm going to be able to work on the beach.
Let's be real. Working on the beach is not productive. I've done it. I've done videos of it. I sat on the beach. You know what? Hey friends, if you think that remote work is all about vacation, lounging at home or at the beach all the time, and endless free time, think again. The truth is, if you don't have the right strategy, your income can go up and down, especially if you're freelancing or running an online business. That's why it's so important to have savings, plan ahead, and manage your finances carefully. In this video, we're going to talk about the myths about being a remote worker in 2025 and beyond. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Salua. I've been working remotely for the last 8 years, and today I teach freedom seekers how to earn online so they can work from anywhere. So welcome. Let's talk about myth number 1. Remote worker or digital nomads are always slacking off. So here's the truth. Some people assume remote workers are constantly on vacation and not getting anything done, and that could not be further from the truth. Remote work requires a good deal of discipline, planning, and focus. And honestly, it's not as easy as you think. For example, I organize my task with time blocking, track project carefully, and always set deadlines for myself. The skills you need is self-discipline, which is really difficult, self-motivation, communication, and organizing. And planning. So a lot of things. Without these, it's easy to fall behind. But with them, remote workers can actually outperform traditional office workers. It's true. Not everybody, but a lot of people go to a 9-to-5 and get the bare minimum done just so can get the salary, oftentimes because they don't like what they're doing. But as a remote worker, you now have more responsibility because you have to be, what's the word? You have to be organized. You're working for yourself. You have to make sure that money comes in. Whether you're freelancers working for a company, doesn't matter. You gotta build up the skills to be able to make it as a remote worker. Remember, there's not just the fact that you're working online. There's all the other aspects that comes with it, especially if you travel too. So if you're gonna go bounce from one country to the other, you have to figure out your lodging, your visa situation, if you need one, your passports. There's so many things to think about on top of earning an income. And if you are an owner or if you own your own business, you know you got to get leads, you got to constantly have clients. It's difficult.
It's difficult.
It is a lot more difficult than just going to a 9-to-5 and just, you know, do the mundane same thing every week. Now, it comes with good things. And I've done a whole video about this, about the pros and cons of being a digital nomad. So I definitely think you should go check it out. It's right here. But I really wanted to share this because a lot of people think,
oh, I want to be a digital nomad. I'm going to be able to work on the beach.
Let's be real. Working on the beach is not productive. I've done it. I've done videos of it. I sat on the beach. You know what? Sands flows in your face, sands gets in your computer, there's a lot of noise, you can hear nothing, you definitely cannot do a Zoom call on the beach, Wi-Fi goes in and out, this is not a place to work. But you could do it at a cafe for an hour or two, check your emails and stuff like that, so I'm not against it, but I really want to make sure that if you are thinking that digital nomad life or working remotely from the beach, is that it? It's not it. I hope that makes sense. Myth number 2, you cannot earn as much when you work remotely. Well, I beg you to pardon. That's not English. I beg your pardon. Is that English? Oh, I beg the difference. Many believe remote jobs or online businesses pay less than office job. In reality, remote roles can pay more, especially if you live in an affordable country compared to where you can earn from your home country. So there's no cap. If you are a content creator and you do this full time and you've been working at it for years, you can really do well. I can't put a number here because it would be depending on what you do, but I've met digital nomads and remote workers abroad who makes millions of dollars. Yes. Let me give you an example of my friend that I met in Morocco. He had started a company, an online company that was in the legal field of the US, and he did very well. He had a team of 12. All his employees were remote from all over the world. He didn't pay for a home office. He was sitting on a really nice terrace working, and I witnessed it. And I also know that the company was offered to be bought multiple times for millions of dollars. So I know it is possible. I myself made a lot of money working remotely. So it's not about being remote. It's about having the right skills, doing the job that has a market for, and have the right strategy. That's very important for you to know. So if you think that working remotely doesn't bring you an income, think again. Also, if you live in a country where it's more affordable, you have less expenses. So you have more saving and more that you can reinvest in your business. That's why I really love that lifestyle. Myth number 3, you will be lonely. Well, yes and no. You can be lonely at the very beginning if it's your first time and you're far away from home and you're missing your friends and maybe relationship and family and all that stuff. Yes. But I think over time, number 1, you will meet a lot of people around the world. I myself have friends everywhere. One time I was thinking, you know what, if I take 1 year to go around the world and go meet all the friends that I met, I would stay in places for free for a whole year. I know it because I've made great relationship with people that I can connect again and again. And actually, I've done this summer. I went and I spent time in Belgium to see my family, but then I went to spend 2-3 weeks in Germany with my friend. And then I went to Portugal and I spent another 2-3 weeks with my friends. And I had an awesome time. While it can be lonely if you're far away from friends and family, there are so many ways to connect with remote workers communities. There's online networking, there's online dating apps, there is so many groups on Facebook where you can connect with people and meet them in person. I recently joined an app called Time Left, which I think is great. And you actually, so the app sets you up with stranger for dinner every week. So you pay a fee for the month and then they send you new spots and you go there and you meet, I think, 6 people that are brand new. So it's up to you to go out there and connect with people. You meet them in hotels, in hostels, at the surf camp, in co-working spaces, at night, and when you go out at restaurants. There's so many ways to meet people, and you connect with people who are like-minded. And by the way, I made a whole video about how to make friends when you are a digital nomad, so make sure you check it out because it's pretty good. But hands down, I'd say my first one would be Facebook groups. You just join you get into a new city, you just send a message, hey, my name is Salwa, I'm gonna be here for a few months. I'd love to connect with X, Y, and Z. And watch people commenting. I've done this so many times, and you will never be lonely if you do it the right way. Remote work is not a vacation, it's a lifestyle. It offers freedom, flexibility, and opportunities, but it comes with responsibility, planning, and discipline. Now it's my turn to ask you, which of these myths surprise you the most? And if you want to learn how to make money online and have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, I do have a free guide. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap. I'm gonna leave it in the link down in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos about remote work, online income, and digital nomad. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye from Mexico.